In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an exit plan on Fidelity, simple step by step. An exit plan is simply your pre-decided rule for when to sell a stock or ETF so you can lock in profits or limit losses without second-guessing yourself in the moment. Fidelity makes this easy with sell order types such as limit orders, stop losses, and more advanced conditional orders. Here's the straightforward, basic method most people start with. First, log into the Fidelity app or website and head to your account's positions. Choose the stock or ETF you already own. Select Trade, then choose Sell. You'll see an order type menu. Pick Limit Sell if you want to sell at a target profit price, or choose Stop Loss if you want to protect yourself by selling if the price drops to a specific level. Enter your price, tap or click Preview to double-check all the details, and then place order. That's it. You've just set up an exit plan. Let's make it concrete with a quick example. Suppose you bought a stock at $100. If your goal is to take profit around 120, you'd enter a limit sell at 120. If you want to cap your downside around 90, you'd enter a stop loss at 90. With those two orders in place, the path is clear. If the price rises to your target, your limit order aims to lock in gains. If it drops to your floor, the stop loss is designed to get you out and limit the damage. Which type should you use? For beginners, combining a limit sell for profit and a stop loss for protection is a simple, effective approach. As you get comfortable, you can explore an OCO, or one cancels the other bracket order, which links a profit-taking limit and a protective stop, so triggering one automatically cancels the other. For more advanced users, a trailing stop adjusts with the market as the price moves in your favor, helping you ride an uptrend while still defining a risk point. A few important tips to keep in mind. A stop loss becomes a market order once it's triggered, so your final execution price may differ from the stop level, especially in fast markets. A limit order is price controlled, but it may not execute if the market never reaches your limit. And it's smart to set your exit plan immediately after buying so emotion doesn't creep in later. Take a moment to review your order details in preview before placing them. With this setup, you'll trade with a plan, not a guess.